Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Last weekend, 8 to 10th of March, the first Lenten retreat of the young Salesian cooperators of the Krakow province from Oswiecim, Stanikty and Zabze was held in Wisla. During the 3 days led by Father Andres Kroll, SDB, the participants reflected on Eucharistic pedagogy, discussing the sacraments of penance and the Eucharist seen through the eyes of Saint John Bosco. It was a meeting full of fruitful conversations and mutual reinforcement. There was no lack of joy and time to mix together during an evening of celebration, a trip to the mountains and making music together. From Saturday 9th March to Monday 11th of March, Don Hugo Orosco, Councillor for the Inter-America region, carried out the extraordinary visit to the community of the Salesian Theologate, San Luca, in Caracas of the province of Venezuela, FRI. During his stay, Don Orosco spent days full of brotherhood, listening, discernment and accompaniment. The visit ended with the Eucharist presided over by the regional councillor, the fraternal agape and the final report. Before leaving, Don Orosco invited the theology students to continue their training and to give their best for the young people of Venezuela. Conversion is an important topic for everyone. We must bring hope to the young people. On Friday 15th of March 2024 at the Sacred Heart Cathedral in Lahore, Pakistan, Archbishop Sebastian Francis Shaw, OFM, officially closed the diocesan inquiry into the life, martyrdom and reputation of the servant of God Akash Basher, 22nd June 1994 till 15th of March 2015, a cause that had been opened 2 years ago on 15th of March 2022. Exactly 9 years have passed since 15 March 2015, the day young Akash Basher, a Don Bosco alumnus, sacrificed himself to prevent a suicide bomber from causing a massacre in St. John's Church in Yuhanabad, a Christian neighborhood in Lahore, Pakistan. Akash Basher was 20 years old, had studied at the Don Bosco Technical Institute in Lahore and had become a security volunteer. The Don Bosco Youth Services DBYS Matunga, in collaboration with various ecclesial youth movements in Mumbai, has organized a night vigil entitled A New Dawn, which took place on 9th March. The event brought together more than 300 young people who met in the evening, immediately breaking the ice with music and songs. The YUFC, Young People United for Christ band, set the tone for the vigil, singing lively gospel songs. Father Leon Cruz Ratinam, together with the young people from DBYS, conducted an adoration service during which the priests made themselves available for confessions. During the vigil, different activities and moments of dialogue were organized, which allowed young people to immerse themselves in the faith and share their intuitions and experiences. A twinning arrangement was signed on Monday 4th of March 2024 between the Don Bosco College Guéris, France and the Don Bosco College Nitra, Morocco in the St. Augustine Special North African Circumscription CNA. For over 4 years, the students of the two institutes have started a mutual exchange relationship, and with the signing of the twinning agreement, it was made official. Throughout the week, second grade Moroccan pupils shared meetings and visits and welcomed fourth grade French students into their families. This exchange develops mutual knowledge and interculturality. During the year, projects for this meeting are prepared and exchanges between young people are developed. At the end of April, Moroccan students will travel to France to visit and stay with French families. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.